I don't know what they're talking there. Oh, they're admiring the car. Oh my god. Two car guy best friends. Look at them. It's so cute.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna give Ashwin's E36 a quick wash while also detailing his glasses as well as his engine bay and also his interior. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start washing the car now, but let's start with the wheels. This car came with really nice two-piece Haman wheels, but I think they have seen better days, so I'm gonna give it some deep cleaning, especially on the dishes because it's starting to decolorize. Right, so I am done cleaning Ashwin's wheels. Took a lot longer than I expected because, well, it's really dirty, but here's the final result. You guys can tell it's more shiny. It's not perfect because there are like stains that are just extremely hard to remove, but it is what it is. Now I'm gonna start polishing the windows. Some people prefer to do this while it's wet. I prefer to do it while it's dry because more friction means it's easier for me to actually get rid of watermarks and whatever stain there is on the windows. And if you guys can hear, daily saya. This is Abang Wan, also known as the owner of Dahlia Auto Detailers.
Dia yang buat.
Oh, so dia ni yang drive tadi eh? Okay, for this job I'm using Maguire's glass cleaner and some form of sponge. Alright, so I've polished all the glasses or windows and now we're gonna give it a wash. So I've just finished washing Ashwin's car, the E36. Looks so much different than it was before. The gold color is starting to pop out a bit more than it was, but check out those wheels, looks shiny now. Overall it's not that bad. There are a few things that he needs to address eventually, and now gonna drive the car, and hopefully it doesn't rain tonight. Hey guys, so today is day 2 of me cleaning up this E36. So today I'll be doing the interior as well as the engine bay. So let's get started. So I have no idea when was the last time the interior was cleaned. So we're gonna hit it with some interior detailer cleaner and get rid of all of the surface dust and dirt and grime and whatever we can find. Alright, so I'm done with wiping most of the interior as well as vacuuming what is needed. I've cleaned the pedals, cleaned the seats, cleaned all the plastic panels. Next, I would like to actually clean the glasses because they are really dirty. There are streaks everywhere and it's gonna make driving not that hard, but it's just like, you know, that feeling when you're driving but there's something in your line of sight. So yeah. So I just got done cleaning all of the windows. There are a lot of weird streaks. I don't know why. It seems like there's some chemical use, or maybe the previous owners wiped with a really dirty cloth or something like that. And from what I can tell so far, I think this car, once upon a time, it belonged to someone who smoked, or maybe a couple of people who did smoke, because I did find a couple of like cigarette ashes, and then there were like cigarette burn marks, and it also smells like cigarette at certain places. Anyway, there are a lot of leather and plastic panels, so I want to protect them, so I'm gonna use some Maguire's Natural Shine Protect, and this will give it like a glossy finish, like it's gonna glow a bit, slightly more reflective than uncoated, and it's also gonna protect the panels from cracking or things like that. Alright, so this is pretty much the interior. Up next, I'm gonna clean and conditioner all of the leather seats so it protects them and does not crack them eventually. Alright, so I'm done with the interior as well as the exterior of the car. Next, I'm gonna head to the boot section and clear off any junk from the previous owner and sort things. There were also a couple of smaller bits that I found in the interior, so I sorted them into things that look like trash and things that look like it means something. So I'm gonna put it back into the car, and Ashwin can decide whether he wants to keep them or he wants to throw them away. It's all up to him. Alright guys, so I've only opened the boot a couple of times, but I never really like explored what's inside. So let's see if there are like junk or treasures or whatever. So there are definitely a couple of stuff here. Most of them are like fine, but I'm gonna do some cleaning inside here, get rid of all the cobwebs, the smaller debris, and then sort those parts into different plastic bags. Okay, so I am done cleaning the boot. I have also neatly organized like the parts that Ashwin might want to use later on, and whatever I found, I put it there. Right, so we are done with the interior, the exterior, and also the boot space. Next, the last and final part. So the final part, I'm gonna clean up the engine bay a bit. So this is quite an old car. It's a 1994, so that means it's a 30 years old car. So I'm not gonna pressure wash it or wash it with water or anything. So I'm just gonna clean everything by hand, because parts can be sensitive and I don't want to break anything. That is Ashwin's job, not mine. So anyway, let's get cleaning. Alright, so this is the engine bay. I don't know much about BMWs because I've always been like mingling with JDM or Malaysian market cars. So first thing you'll notice is this AC Schnitzer strut bar. It has like something that is reinforcing the strut tower itself, which is good. This is really solid. The engine bay itself is actually not that dirty, but I do see some dirt and grimes here and there, which I'm gonna clean. So while the sun is out, I'm gonna get to work now. So while I'm at it, I'm gonna go and check out the air intake filter. It's pretty clean. So yeah guys, I'm pretty much done with the car. I have washed it, I have polished and also coated all of the glasses. I have cleaned the interior, did all of the restoration work that I could do, and then cleaned the boot, cleaned the engine bay, and applied all of the protective coating that I can take off. The car is in much better condition than when I first received it. I hope Ashwin is happy with the end result. He's gonna come and collect this car in about 2 days. Until then, I'm gonna keep it covered just to protect it from the weather. Overall, I can say this is a pretty solid car. Looks good from inside and out. It drives okay. I think there are a few stuff that he might want to address later on. And there isn't that much trash in the boot or in the engine bay. I guess the previous owner kept it really clean, but there are a few stuff in the interior itself that I don't think I can live with. The sun is going down and I'm gonna wrap this up, and the next cut will be when Ashwin is picking up the car. Look who's here, it's Ashwin and Karina. Today they're gonna pick up Stella.
Yeah.
And we're also gonna fix a few stuff.
So surprise our friend.
Yeah. You can zoom one. Literally so shiny. Chips.
Dun, 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 dun. It's so shiny. Oh my god, there's a spider. I think so.
Yeah, he parked under the
Oh
tree.
no, it's a spider.
No, nice and shiny.
We're going to the petrol station now.
We're gonna go fix the car after that.
That's after.
Yeah. So guess how much the petrol gonna be for full tank?
Oh my god, it's going. You need to start the car to see, right?
I'm not full
Oh,
tank.
yeah, you need to start the car.
It's almost full now, but
60 full what?